Hi, I'm Christina at Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to travel trailer setup at a campsite. Before even parking on the campsite, we do three things. First, we discuss where we want to park the RV, considering the slope of the site and the location of the hookups. Then we plug in our surge protector to ensure there are no problems with the RV power pole and check that the water hookup works. Then we pull our back end into the site and start the setup process by leveling the RV from side to side. If the site is not level, we pull up on leveling blocks to adjust the RV. Once the RV is level from side to side, we chock the wheels. Then we unhitch the trailer and move the truck out of the way. Next, we level the trailer from front to back by moving the tongue jack up or down. Once the trailer is fully level, we put down the stabilizer jacks. We place blocks under each jack so we don't have to fully extend the stabilizers. Now, I head inside. I check under the slide to make sure nothing rolled under it during travel. Then I put the slide out. Back outside, I connect all of the hookups. I plug in the power cord and surge protector with the breaker off. Once the cord is connected both to the RV and the power pole, I turn the breaker on. Then I connect the water to our city water connection using a water pressure regulator to make sure I do not damage the RV water lines. Once the water is turned on, I go inside and slowly open both the hot and cold water faucets to clear air from the lines. Once water is flowing smoothly, the faucet can be turned off. On my way back outside, I turn on the water heater. Then I set up the sewer hose using supports to ensure it flows down and an elbow connector to ensure it fits securely in the sewer outlet. Then I turn on our propane and we're ready to start having fun. Thanks for watching and happy camping.